Waec Maths question number 14. A cylindrical metallic barrel of height 2.5 and radius of 0.245 is closed at one end. Find, correct to one decimal place, the total surface area of the barrel. So, solution. Before we get into the solution, you need to understand a number of things that will help you solve. So first of all, you know what a cylinder is. This is a cylinder. This is just a cylinder, and this is the correct one because this one has one side closed, this side closed, and this one open. So you're asked to find the total surface area. That means you're finding the area of all this whole place and this place. This one is open, so it doesn't have any surface area. So surface area you're going to find is all this place and this. So that is what you are finding. Now, one thing you should understand is that if I get this paper right now and I fold it into this shape, it's going to give me the shape of an open cylinder. So that means if I get this cup now and cut this part off and spread it, I'm going to get a rectangle like this. But then, how do you know the length of that rectangle? How do you know this length of the rectangle? So the length of that rectangle is going to be the circumference of the base, the circumference of the circular, the base. You know what circumference is? The distance around this. That's going to give me the length. So we already have the width given to us as height from the question. The height is 2.5. So let's now use what we know to solve the question. So the first thing we're going to do is to find the circumference of the base circle. Then that will give us the length of this stuff. So the circumference of a circle is pi d, or in this case, when we are giving radius, it is 2 pi r. So we have 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 times, we are asked to take pi as 22 over 7 times 22 over 7 times the radius is 0.24245. That's going to give us the perimeter of the base circle. All right, so when you multiply this out, you're going to get 1.54. So that will be the length. That will be the length of this place. Then multiply that to find the area. That is a rectangle. I've shown you that is a rectangle. So if you multiply area of a rectangle is length times width, multiply that by the width, which is the height, 2.5, and you are going to get 3.85 as your answer. But that is just the area of this surface. So to get the total surface area, you're now going to find this area, and you do that by finding the area of the circle. So area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. So our pi is 22 over 7 times 0.245 squared. So if you punch that in your calculator, you are going to get 0.18865. So if you now add this together, 3.85 divided by 3.85 plus 0.18865, you are going to end up getting 4.03865. So that will be your final answer. Remember, the question says you should correct to one decimal place. This number is not up to 5, so our answer is 4.0 meter squared. That would be the total surface area.